Hello, hi everyone. This is Shrija. Welcome to Skinoreal, where I talk all things skincare. So if you like skincare related content, then make sure that you subscribe. Likewise, you can also follow me on Instagram, where I post more regularly. So in today's video, I wanted to talk to you guys about my recent J and K beauty purchases. You guys already know my love for Korean skincare, and most of the time I see that in the comment section, you guys keep asking me for the availability of the product. Sites like Beauty Ban India or Macroon or other Korean websites. The thing is that most of the time the items that we want are out of stock. So this time I did a little more research and I started digging in to IG sellers that are selling Korean and Japanese beauty products in India. Now, of course, I'm aware of the original prices of these products because I have picked up these items while traveling. So I didn't want to pay double or triple. Like if an IG seller is selling me a product where the margin is around 500, I am okay with that because of course, even they want to make their profit and they pay customs and shipping and etc. etc. But I have seen IG sellers selling the product for almost double or triple the actual amount, and that is really not okay with me. So I'm usually very skeptical about buying from IG sellers, but there are few IG sellers that I really trust, and today I'm going to talk about one particular IG seller from where I have purchased my recent Korean and Japanese beauty products, and I was really shocked by the price. I purchased these products for almost exact price as they're available in US or anywhere outside. In fact, some of the prices were actually lower. Like there was a margin of 100 to 200 rupees and I was actually shocked. So, but I wanted to see that, if the products are real and everything, and I tested everything for myself. So now finally I'm making this video. And by the way, the IG page that I'm talking about is linked in my description below. So feel free to check that out. So the number one product that I recently got my hands on is this Cica Repair Cream from Dr. Jart. This is a really expensive product. Even if you check out Sephora USA, you might find out that the product is retails for around 3,700 to 4,500 Indian rupees, but I was actually able to get it for the original price. And I know it's not a very affordable cream, but somehow I have used the sample size of this cream in the past and I love it. I don't recommend this cream if you have dry skin. The Cica Repair Cream is specially formulated for oily, acne prone and sensitive skin types. Now, when I say sensitive skin types, it is not for someone who gets irritated by using essential oils, as this cream is not free from essential oils. But by sensitive, I mean skin that is prone to getting red. So this cream has this unique Cica patented technology that Dr. Jart uses, and I'm telling you, it's brilliant. It is nothing like I really cannot compare to any other Cica creams available in the market. It's that good. The texture is very gel-like, and you can see the result from first uses. It really helps calm down the redness. If you have skin that is inflamed and irritated, it works to heal your skin faster. Of course, it's not an affordable option, but if you're looking to invest in a very good cream for oily, acne prone skin type, I highly recommend that you give this one a try. Now, another thing to keep in mind is that I personally use this cream only once at night, and this entire tube will last me for good 3 to 4 months. So please don't start using these products. I see so many bloggers and influencers literally slathering moisturizers. You really don't need that much moisturizer. Just use pea size if you have oily skin, and that way you'll be able to save the product and use it more efficiently. So now moving on to the second product, and that is my beloved Snail Serum from Some By Me. This product, you guys know, is also available on Beauty Ban India, but I actually got it at a more affordable price from Glowify. I love this serum. I think I also love Cosrx Snail Mucin. The only difference between this one and Cosrx Snail Mucin is that this one also has added benefits. This one is a more power pack treatment. Like Cosrx Snail Essence, you can use to generally hydrate your skin, but if you're dealing with acne, marks and blemishes and a compromised skin barrier, give this one a try. This is amazing. I always kept checking Beauty Ban India for this to be restocked, but most of the time it's out of stock. And I really love this product. So when I found out that Glowify has this product, I couldn't stop myself from purchasing this. It's an excellent snail serum. Recently, I have been getting a lot of clients who are allergic to snail mucin. So be careful if you're allergic to snail mucin. Any product which has snail secretion can break you out. So be mindful for that. Don't give in to the hype. please consider your skin needs first. The third product that I want to talk about is again a very common product, and that is Vanilla Co cleansing balm. I don't know what took me so long to try out this cleansing balm. Maybe I thought that it's not always easily available in India and it's a cleanser, so I think I should wait, and I was looking into another cleansing alternatives in India. But I'm telling you, this does the job. You really only need a tiny amount, and I'm in love with this product. I of course love my Inkey List oats cleansing balm, and then I'm trying this new cleansing balm from Raw Concoctions. I also like that, but this one is so gentle and it just effectively removes everything, even your waterproof mascara. So yes, definitely I love this product. Again, it's available on Beauty Barn, but then it's out of stock, and I got it for a low price at Glowify, so of course I'm gonna buy it from there. Definitely worth your money. You get like a big jar of it. Like I have tried cleansing balms from Bubble Farm and stuff, and my only thing is they just give you 50 ml, and that's just not enough for me. So whenever I'm trying to buy cleansing balm, I try to look for like larger quantities, like 100 ml. This would generally work for all skin types, and I highly recommend this product. The next product I want to talk about is again a beloved product in the skincare community, and that is Purito Unscented Centella Cream. This one is formulated with ceramides and niacinamide, Centella asiatica, and I love this cream for barrier repair. I personally am a huge fan of this cream, but this time I did not purchase it for myself. This is for my mom, because for me this is a little bit heavy during summer months, so I prefer using this cream during winter. And this time while I was looking at Beauty Barn India, the product was out of stock, and then again I purchased it from Glowify. I don't know how, like, but somehow Glowify only had products that I really like, and that's why I was so impressed with the entire collection. And this is the unscented version. They also have a scented version, but if you want to avoid fragrance in skincare, I think you should go for this particular product. I have tried the unscented version as well before. Both of them work similarly. For the unscented version, there is a slight scent to it, but that fades away. So if you're not allergic to fragrance, that might also work for you. But my favorite is the unscented version. Now the last product that I want to talk about, I'm really excited to talk about it, because this is one product again that I used to love using when I was in London, but when I came back to India it wasn't available, so I stopped using it. And this is Dr. Jart Goodnight Firming Sleep Mask. Now first of all, I want to clarify one thing. By firming, I do not mean that, you know, it's going to take care of your wrinkles overnight or it's going to stop you from aging. No, nothing like that. In general, this is a mask that contains biopeptides. It's a very good mask for soothing and plumbing your skin. You just use it overnight and you wake up with a plump skin. I personally like to use it once or twice a week. This product is definitely not for you if you're allergic to essential oils, because this one definitely has some essential oils in it. I'm a huge fan of Dr. Jart, so when I saw their products being available in India at a very affordable price, I was really excited to try these things. I have also purchased few other things that I will talk about in another video, because these are things that I have tried before or I have tested before talking about in this video. The other products are relatively new, so I definitely want to test it out before talking about it. So that is all I have for you guys today. If you enjoy watching my video, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.